up, people? This is Deadpool Transaction, and I'm playing some basketball. Big Win basketball. So, my team name is Alley Bros. So, I'm gonna do vets. There's a championship. Now I'm gonna have to select my card. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna break someone's ankles. I'm gonna get this one. So I'm about to break this glass. Yes. And 6 cents. Okay. This is right. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. I forgot to change my person's name. So you gonna see this guy named Gay. I don't know why. Like look. He's gay. Gay. 18. Number 18. Gay. I don't know why it's called gay like that. See, yeah, that's him. Make this. Do something. Tight. No. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Break his ankles. Oh, what's wrong? He blocked 2 times. Come on. Oh my gosh. No. Thank you. Nice defense. Why is you pressing it that long? Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got this another person named Jordan. Jordan is not doing anything. He's just... Thank you! Oh my gosh. It's freaking whack. Whack! Got me tight. Thank you! Dunk! A dunk right there. I don't know why your name is Jordan if you shot it like 3 times already and missed. The other people shot like 1 time and missed once. Thank you! Let's get this work! Thank you!
That's the other quarter.
Thank you. Okay. No, you're in the mix. Oh my gosh, it's a good pass. That could be good. Yo, great. It's over 2. Thank you. Oh my gosh. See, they could make it. How? Get dunked on. Cash. Just cash. But how you how you get dunked on? My gosh. Oh my gosh. Don't let them catch up. Cash. Oh. Never mind. How? Yeah, get that out of here. How does a foul? Little fool. PG2. If you make this other one, I'm done. But my man's no, it was gay. But my man's gay can't do nothing. Can't make the first shot. But he made the second shot. What's up with you, buddy? What's up? Yo, don't leave him open. Oh my gosh! Don't leave him open. Oh, that's it. Guess. Oh my gosh. Where was you going? You spinned off over again! Yo! Swords! Swords! Nice! Nice job, Swords! Oh my gosh! I think Swords is number one. I think he's the player of the match. I think he is. I'm dead serious about that one too. It won! Never mind. What was you doing? You're never gonna make that. Okay? Our ball. Oh my gosh. Swords. Jordan. Oh.
Home team to the line.
Yeah, you better make that. Thank you. Thank you. Now you're getting focused right now. You're focusing right now. Got your head in the game.
2 points on the play.
I don't care about that one because it's still gonna. Oh my gosh! Oh, block that.
Away team, 3
How?
shots.
I got 2 fouls already. 3 shots? Oh my gosh! You make the air ball from a free throw line. Give me that! Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Get blocked. Yeah. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Yeah! How you? Oh my gosh, you saw the whole crowd! Guys, did you just see the whole crowd and he still made it? Yo, guys, get your head in the game. Let's go defense. Let's go defense. Let's go, Ali Bros. Yes. Let's go, Ali Bros. Yes. Let's go, Ali Bros. Get crossed and with the shot. Oh my gosh. There we go right now. Oh my gosh. Wait, don't look.
End of the quarter.
LOL, shut up. Just shut up now. You just made me mad. You said LOL. Whack!
Basket is good.
Oh my gosh! Don't let them. Game right there. Cash.
Basket
Yes.
is good.
Cash. And one right there. Good block. Good steal. Let's go. Yes. That dunk.
2 points on the play.
Yeah. It's 30, 31 right now. That's pretty good. That's kind of good. Oh! Yes! 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 Catch! Oh my gosh. Come on, Gay. Gay. Yes! Oh, nah. No! Yes! I still. Just get this 3 and it's done. It's done. Game, set. Wait, whoa. They could get this 3 right now.
2 points.
I think they're gonna get that. Get out my face! Yeah, foul, cause you all up in my face. Gay! Foul. That's not even gay. That's... Yo, Source. Get dunked on! I saw that too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Overtime. Not good. This is not good. Come on. No. Yes. Come on, Gay. Thank you, Gay. Get dunked on! Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh. It would have been worse if they made that 3. Get out my face! Want me to get... He broke your ankles and with the shot. You guys lost already. Just stop trying. Oh my gosh. If he get this... Stop. We won now just because of you. Come on, Source. You got... This is the end. That's the end. Wait. Oh, no. I forgot they're going to get this 3. Oh my gosh, don't leave him open. Yeah. Oh my gosh, he blocked it at the end. That would have been cash. That was a very nice game. Oh my gosh. That was a very nice game. I lost 10 fans. That's sad. Oh my gosh. So that's it for Big Win Basketball. Give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe me, and I'm out. Peace.